guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sakshi and it would really mean a lot if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So today we are going to do a very huge body care haul. I am so excited. I have been obsessing over body care so much recently and I just love. So I have a big package from Nykaa. There are a lot of products here. I splurged a lot on body care. Okay, so I'm gonna go quick one by one and I'm gonna put price and like a screenshot of price and product over here so you can check it out. Okay, a new haircut. It's curtain bangs. Can you tell? So pretty. I love it. Anyways, let's start off with the first product. This is a Face Shop Shea Butter body cream. Now there is a difference between cream and body wash. Body gel are basically gel like, and this is more of like a moisturizing thing. So this is cream and this is mine, and I bought a couple of things for my sisters also. So this smells amazing and I've been using beautiful. I've been using this since 2 weeks I guess, and I have used quite a bit. This comes up till here and then I've used this much. So I shower twice a day, so yeah, I mean it's okay. I really like this, and this is priced at rupees 345. This is from Body Shop. Love this stuff. Totally recommend you. So this is a shower gel. It's gel consistency. This is more like thin and this is thicker than this thing. Okay, so this is also priced at rupees 345. This is also from the Body Shop, and this is basically shower orange. I don't like this. My sister uses this, but I definitely don't like this. But it's a good body wash. If you like oranges, you can have this one. Okay, this is another Lux body wash. So this is very huge. This is like 450 ml, and this is, you will be shocked at the price. This is priced at rupees 350 only, and you get so much. This is the product, and this is the sunflower and aloe vera one. I haven't used it. This is my sister also. It smells like Mossambi. Okay, so this is probably my favorite one. This is again from Body Shop. It's also a shower gel. This is the Japanese cherry blossom shower gel. This has shea plus vitamin E, and this smells incredible. This is more on the pricier side. Smells incredible. This is, love this thing. This is 1300 rupees. It's a bit expensive, but you get 295 ml of product, and this is it. Very pretty. Yeah. Okay, so we have more two body washes. This is from Bath and Body Works, and this is the rose shower gel. This is how it looks. This is this also has like a very good smell. Yeah, very pretty. This I ordered a travel size product because I was not sure, and Bath and Body Works products, you know, can be too like very strong, so I didn't know if I should get a bigger one, so I ordered a travel size one. This is for rupees 600. Again pricey, but you get 88 ml of product, and yeah, now that I know this is really good, and I'm gonna order a big one. Delivery soon. So this is the last shower gel product we have over here. This is again from the Body Shop, and this is the all the beach collection from their collection, and this is also a travel size product. This is for rupees 600, and also this is an 88 ml product. Now this smells like beach. Yeah, this is very good. I like this. It smells sweet. I am not attracted to very sweet scents, but yeah, this is like a bearable sweet. So yeah, it's still good. Like it. Okay, so that was all our shower gel products and everything. Now we are moving to body scrub. Okay, so first body scrub we have is from, this is my sister's. This is the Body Shop strawberry softening body polish, and this smells very strong, very sweet. I don't like strawberries in general. So this is a 200 ml product, and this retails for rupees 695. And I don't know, I'm not quite sure. She likes it, but I don't like strawberries, so I'm not attracted to this scent. But if you like strawberries a lot, you will definitely enjoy this. So if you want this, you can get this. This is mine, and this is very nice scent. This is the Nykaa Wonderla Sicilian Sweet Pea Body Scrub. This is not too sweet and smells very nice. See? Mast hai na? This is a 140 gram product, and this retails for rupees 350. So yeah, not bad. And the scrubbing beads are also like not too big, so you cannot. But this is very moisturizing and really good. So yeah, I really like this one. Okay, that's it. That's all we have for the body scrubs. Now we will be moving on to the mist. No, there is one body lotion. This is also from the Nykaa Wanderlust range. This is the Mediterranean Sea Salt body lotion, and this is so good. This is literally like beach. I really like this one. This is 300 ml product, and this is priced at rupees 450 only. Now this was I was very excited for. This is the Nykaa body butter from their Wanderlust range, and this is in the shade like a fragrance French lavender. And body butter is basically a very thick consistency, like a cream, and this is supposed to keep you very hydrated for a very long time. So I apply this on areas which are very dry, like my, what is this called, elbow, knees, and then over behind my neck right here, wrist. So this is also like very beautiful. The scent is really very nice, very mild and very nice. So this is a 200 ml product and price at rupees 550, but you get this on sale, so yeah, it's very this is very good. So the thing with body butter is you do not have to apply this on your whole body. It's just meant for very dehydrated parts, so you can apply this over there. The next product is this is the Mediterranean Sea range, and this is the body yogurt. Now I love body yogurt. So this has a gel consistency, and I love this kind of consistency. It's so good. Now body yogurt is also meant to use on dehydrated parts, and elbow, knees. This is very it's very lightweight and gel-like. It is gel, by the way. Yeah. This is also very smells so good. I love this range from Nykaa. Okay, so the last product we have here is the Japanese Cherry Blossom 24-hour Moisture Ultra Sheer Body Cream. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is paired, so I bought this in a pair. Okay, so this has a mild scent, and this is also like a very good body cream. Now you are not supposed to apply this on your whole body. This is again one of those products where you can apply it on your shoulders, on your elbows, behind your neck, on your knees. So this is very thick, and this is really very good. I really like the smell. No, mild smell, na. And this is priced at rupees 1400. This is a 226 gram product, and you get a lot of it. So yeah, I think it's fine. You can use this. Really like this. I would 100% recommend this. If you're not getting any of these things from the haul, you can definitely try this out. This is really very good. So the last category we have is the mist category, and all of them are from Bath & Body Works. Not all, they're only food, but yeah, all of them are from Bath & Body Works. So we'll start with this one. This is a saltwater breeze, and saltwater breeze, it's typically an ocean. I mean, so whenever I hear this name, beach literally pops up in my head, and this is so good. This is my favorite scent. It's very mild, and this is really good. Really good. Spray. Love it. Again, as I said, Bath & Body Works products can be way too much, over scented, so I don't like a lot of them. Yeah, so again I went with travel size products. This is for rupees 700, and I got this on sale for like a 350-400 rupees, which is so good. Nykaa has these sales, even their website Bath & Body Works has this sale every month, I believe, and you get this on like a cheaper price. So yeah, this is a again 88 milliliter product. This is really good. I would highly recommend you guys to get this. It's really good. Okay, so the next perfume is Into the Night. The packaging is so pretty, and I really like it. All the disco lights and everything. But this perfume is strong. I would say that definitely. You cannot put this all over your body and just head out. This will give you a headache. So this is into the night, right? So you, whenever you're heading for like a party or an event, then you can use this perfume, and that too only behind your ears and your wrist. It's strong, definitely strong. Yeah, it's strong. But this is not a day perfume, definitely for night. This is 88 ml product, and this retails for rupees again 700. Again, I went with a travel size because I didn't know if I liked it or not, so I just wanted to give try, like better try. Okay, so the next perfume is 1000 Wishes. This is so pretty. The packaging, so pretty, rose gold and gold. So this perfume is kind of strong, but not like way too scented, over scented. Yeah, you can definitely wear this in day and head out. So this is again a travel size product, 88 ml product, and price at rupees 700. Really very good, and yeah, definitely would recommend this. Okay, so the last product we have for today is the Bath and Body Works Dahlia perfume and mist, sorry, shake and mist. This I ordered a full size product. This is 236 ml product, and this retails for rupees 1500. You can get this thing for 800 rupees on sale. So grab if you like. No, like this smell. This is, let me see. This smell is really very pretty and very good scent. It's like a floral. If you like floral scents, you will love this. I really like the name Dahlia. The name Dahlia really, like, you know, pulled me towards the perfume, and this is really very good. I forgot what it smells like, so I'm gonna try this again. Okay. Yeah, this is not over scented. I freaking love this smell. This is floral, not too sweet, not over scented, all the good things. One product you should definitely get from this haul is this, the Dahlia fragrance mist by Bath and Body Works. Really like it, really like it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like all the products that I showed. These products are very very beautiful. I have tested this, tried this, and I can for sure tell you that these products are really very good. They are not, you know, one of those products which I don't like and I am reviewing about. No, none of that over here. So yeah, I really like this thing. All the things that I've tried is top notch. Really like it, except the strawberry one. This is my sister, I don't like this. And the orange one, that also not a fan of it. Leaving them, all the things are very very good. I would highly recommend it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.
I will spell that for you. Give me.
What is there to spell?
This is Ultra Shea Body Cream Creme por le Corpa Ultra Kerate 24 hours dehydration Bath and Body Works.
Why are you speaking Irish in between? Nah, this is the Dahlia one. Into the Night is another one. Omkar, shut the fuck up. So this is gel like na, compared to this is thick.
Thick है.
अरे thick है ओमकार, हे gel है आणि अब ह्याला तू